Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm very excited because I'm doing something that I've never done before. This is pretty exciting. I can't even get my thoughts together to form a sentence. So I'm doing a lot of renovations here at the house because, hello, we're stuck here and obviously I'm going to get my hands into something. So we moved Dean's workout room from upstairs to downstairs. They'll be getting a transformation of that soon. So now that room, that was his workout room, I'm turning into like a home studio office thing for myself because I'm going to be here for another 2 months, I'd say. And yeah, so I obviously trying to keep the cost down, but also when I'm in a space like that I'm creating, I want it to be almost creative and like fun, and like it's a great time to experiment with different painting styles. And you know, I've been doing that recently with the apartment. I done it upstairs in the bedroom with the arch over the window and the triangle in the corner, and then wait till you see what I've done with the gym. You're like, I mean, it's probably not that exciting, but like I'm very excited about it. So there's that, and then there's also this now that I'm showing you guys, this painting on a wall. And I've wanted this for a while. I've seen someone do where they followed like a Bob Ross painting tutorial, but they done it on the wall. And that's one of the things I want in my dream home, is like a mural on the wall. Like I'd actually like hire like an artist to come in and paint something like beautiful. Because I just think it's just so like cool. I just think that whole concept of that is cool. Okay guys, so I'm about to paint this wall here. How am I feeling about this? I mean, I don't really know, to be honest, because like, I mean, when I've played around with painting techniques before, they've turned out quite successful. So I'm not super nervous, but like also I've never painted a painting on a wall. But also this isn't like a painting, it's just like some abstract, just to kind of add interest, because I don't want it to be, you know, super heavy and condensed in here. I want it to be fresh and bright. I've done some sketches of kind of different kind of paintings that I'm thinking of, so I don't really know which one I want to go with now. I do, I'm not gonna which one should I go for? I don't really know. And then like 5 minutes later it's all done, and you know, it's as if it happened spontaneously. But no, I'm gonna go with this guy here minus this circle. So I've done like a few different sketches of it. These are my other ideas. These ones are just too crazy. Like they're cool, but like I don't know, my brain just wasn't like clicking because I have my mind on this other project I'm doing that like took up a lot of my creative brain. Okay, so let's get this wall painted.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
Okay guys, so I'm taking this smaller brush and I'm going in and I'm just fine-tuning everything, just like making sure like it's not messy, but like I still want to have like the more kind of rugged kind of look. Like I don't want the lines to be straight, I just want them to be a bit more cleaner than they are at the minute. So that's what we're doing. So this is like a actual like paintbrush like you use for like acrylic paints, but like I'm using it here because it's such a good brush. Like if I can find the link so you can purchase it yourself, like I definitely will, because it's actually like the best paintbrush I've ever used, like ever. So I'll definitely try to link that for you below. But let's get back into it.
Too much.
Okay guys, I've been going back and forth with this, and it's dark outside now, obviously, as you can tell by the lighting has gone pure and utter terrible, but this right here has been, oh, it's been a journey, because I spent the last 40 minutes going back and over it, because I just thought it looked like a massive 6, like the letter 6, and oh my god, and that's not what my vibe was about. So we're gonna leave it for tonight, and we're gonna come back tomorrow, and then if I still don't like it, we'll figure something out, or we'll just call this video a fail, and that's what it's gonna be. I've came to terms with it, you should as well. And yeah, so I'll check back with you in the morning, because it's very late now and I need my sleep, otherwise I get cranky. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's finished. This is it, it's done. I mean, oh well, I mean I forgot to take the tape off, but it's fine. Okay, you get the idea. It's done. Now we had our ups and downs, but you know, we got through it, and I think it turned out pretty good in the end. So yeah. Okay guys, and that is the painting on the wall. Now, was it a success? I mean, it's not my favorite thing I've ever done, but like, I do think it's really cool, and I am proud of it. Like, it did take a lot longer than I expected. I thought it was going to take maybe 3 hours, but like, that's me. That's something I do all the time. I always underestimate the amount of time something's going to take. So the more you know. Please let me know down in the comments if you're going to try this. I definitely recommend, like guys, in all seriousness, I would definitely recommend taking a wall in your home and doing something creative like this in it. It actually, like, it's amazing what it does for your mind. Like, it's so therapeutic. Like, although it took a while, it was the most like relaxing few hours of my life, because you're just listening to music or like a podcast, and you're just like in your own world, like painting. And like, the thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I really wanted it just to be free flowing and easy. Like, I didn't want it to be, you know, super straight lines, because, you know, it's a painting. And with that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.